Hi everyone, my name is Karan. Thank you so much for joining this course. Today we'll have a practical session on the basic commands, like how we are using the basic commands on our daily life, okay, as a system admin. So I have logged in as a root user. See, so my first basic command is to check on which working directory I am. So I will run the command that is pwd. In the document, you can see all the basic commands available. So currently I'm under root. Now I wanted to switch into another directory. Suppose I wanted to go under home/current. So I will run the cd command. Cd stands for changing the directory. Okay. So this command will refer as cd space the destination directory or the path. So I have written cd space home/current. Okay. So here I am. I wanted to check the present working directory, that is pwd. Okay. That is home/current. So pwd and cd both comes under the basic commands. Now, I wanted to create a file under this current directory. So I will use command touch, touch space, and I wanted to give a name, a file name that is test.txt. Okay, sorry, I'll make this as a test.txt. Okay, so wanted to check if the file is created or not, I will run the command ls. Yes, I have. Yes, I can see that test.txt is available. Now, I wanted to see more, more clearly about what is the size of the file, who is having the permission. Okay, more details on this other directories and files as well under this current directory. I will run the command ls space hyphen lrt. Okay, now the picture is something different here. On the screen, you can see that test.txt, this one. Now, in this section, you see the permission, that what permission is given to this test.txt file, who is owning it, okay, what is the date when the file was last modified, and what is the time, okay. So we will go more deeply into this read, write, and read, read. This is comes under the permission chapter. So we'll have another session on the permission, and we'll let you know how it works. So as of now, we can see with the help of basic command ls, that is known as a listing, I have executed and I can see that test.txt is existing in my current directory. Okay, now as I have done the ls test.txt, now I would like to rename this existing file. I want to rename test1 instead of test. So I will execute this command nv, the file which I wanted to rename, that is test.txt. Now I wanted to rename into new name, and the new name is test1.txt. Okay. Now nv is having two of the action. I can rename any existing file, or I can move any existing file or directory from one place to another place. So in this command, I have just renamed the existing file. Okay, now I wanted to check. This is how I check. In ls, you can see test1.txt. Earlier it was test.txt, now it is test1.txt. So these are the basic commands that we use as a system admin. Okay, this helps you out day-to-day activities. Now, suppose I wanted this test1.txt file to move from this directory to another directory. I will run this command. Where directory? I will move into /temp. Okay, now tst 2 slash. This command actually is moving your file from one place or from the existing place to another location. Like this will exactly move. It is not copying it. I'm just moving it. Okay. So I am moving test1 file to slash temp. Slash temp is another file system or a directory you can see in your system. So I will run this command. Okay. Now I wanted to check. So by the ls command, you can see there is no that test1 file is not available. So I will jump to slash tmp through the cd command. Okay. Now I wanted to check. Let's run the ls command, whether this file is copied or it has been moved or not. Okay, so here you can see test1.txt here in below. If you would like to see more in details, run this command. Okay, so this you can see the basic commands that test1.txt is moved from /home/current, which was the earlier location of this file. Now it is moved to /temp. Okay. Now I wanted to copy this file to another location. Let's go back and roll back it. So I will run the cp command that is known as a copy. I wanted to copy test file to /home/current. So you have to always make sure whenever you are executing any command, you should be aware that at which location you are presently working, right? So as of now, I would let you know that I am under /temp. So I am sure that the file is under /temp. Like suppose if you do not have any idea, like where is the on which location I am, okay, or which location the file is existing, or maybe you know that the file is there in /home/current. You can either write down this whole command /tmp/tst. This is the actual path of this file. Test1 files located under /temp. Okay. Either you can run this command home/current. Okay. Else you can run this command again /home/current. So if you are inside the location, you can directly run the second command. And if you are in other location or any other path, you can run the first command, which I executed. So it's asking for the overwrite. You can do it because I do not have such any content. I can do it. Now I wanted to check whether it has been copied or not. Let's see. Through LL also you can find out. So here test1.txt is copied. So why root is coming and why current is coming, that will explain you in the next chapter. This whole concept comes under the permission user groups and the other permissions chapter. Okay. Now I would like to see what is my device name. Name means what is the name of my system. So host name is the command to let you know. Red Hat 1. But you can see that Red Hat 1 is also placing here. Yes, exactly. This line or this hash prompt is coming with your username at which device you are working on. That is root @Red Hat 1. So I have logged in through the root user and I am working on Red Hat 1 server. That is the name of the server. But I wanted to know actually what is the name of the server. So you can run this hostname command. Now I wanted to check the date, the current date and time. Run the date command. Okay. So Monday, June 21, 13:37, that is the current time, IST, plus India Standard Time, and the year. These are the basic commands that we run, execute as a system admin on your day-to-day activities in your projects or your industry. So The best recommendation here is to practice a lot, because practice will make you more perfect in running the commands appropriately. Okay, so we will be ending up the session. This is the part one. You can say I will be coming up with the part two video on more basic commands. We'll explore more basic commands. We'll definitely explore more files, the hierarchy of this root file systems and all, everything we'll do on the next session. Thank you so much.